Hi, my name is Nicolas Paez. I am the Cursus Project Final Test for English. I am studying Business Administration. I am a third semester. I am penultimate semester. Already finished career right now. To tell a little about what I am doing is looking for practice to get more into work environment and have little more knowledge. Okay, I want to say start this career for this career is a more multifunctional. The company and organization are the engaged on growth and development of the country. The administration is a discipline of efficiency management of human recurse to achieve the sustainability of its growth. Um, I am business administration. This is vocation. There is a no vote without vote is a topic and developing in research for corporation work, while some strategic work for one and not for other. How all the human and technical recurses is possessed are related, mm, which production processes are the most appropriate and help optimize them. Their question on you as yourself replying when to think I'm using to recite is your thing. Um, this card is a multidisciplinary. The nature have special with to company and the different areas and administration to carry of the work. Um, this is a word administration for increase to personality and to professional profile and make to company involved. You can develop organize. I am the prepared for leadership and optimize the roles on the company competence is very important for I see this card. For this card is multidisciplinary training. I am very important for the opportunities. Uh, well, what I have is the laboral, the working laboral. Is and then why I decided to study vision administration? Because the card that again brought a broader vision and the many areas. Also because is the gives to certain factors in each of the area and allows to acquire knowledge from various points of view. The very important for my point of view is bueno, okay, this the most important is flexibility, leadership possibilities, grants for finance, marketing, innovation, labor department, in the case flexibility. And the vision administration is is a card for multidisciplinary work. I am the different grants to possibility is in the world and the most important the most opportunity is and the business. What is a business administration about? The business administration is how a company organize the resource and optimize to them to achieve the specific result. There is two clauses related to the economy and finance, but also with marketing and the accounts. This card, as you seen, is multidisciplinary. Then is you hard to show on one specialty and on other. With how within is a company is different areas. Different areas is a marketing, finance, innovation, and responsibility human. And marketing is to see the people with good comporting is the different products. Finance is analytic to the dates in a good most company. and analysis for finance. Another innovation is creating innovation. Is a thinking uh, for much ideas. Okay, is the which projects are the most appropriate and how to optimize the question. That's also you also repeating when I think of abusing it. Do not hasten. This is your thing. Hmm. We have some strategy work for one another for another. How all the human and technical records is possessed are the relates. Mm, and everything that a more professional requires that capability of developing cross-cutting projects. So, relies is optimized more components. The is the I mean is innovative to the delving into reserves as corporation works. Is that the more important for this? And the different application is marketing, finance, recurse human, and innovation. Marketing is the see the picture is all the to the see uh, to the see two different products and different people, mm, and then the finance is working to banks to big company for already finance, already DEX, already costs, already bands, and more. Recurse human is a selectional, is a person with optimizes the this with optimizes this position in the company when are really is effective and with your profile is the very most good. Innovation is at the create. Uh, so the create is ability to create new ideas. I am in the marketing is a the thing for all for those who you idea is to sell the product. No more is the business administration for I am studying. I am second semester. I am the search for the practice. I am looking into work environment have a little more Canada. Thank you.